Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPhone camera has been shaking and struggling to focus, you're not alone. This issue can happen for different reasons. And while some are easy to fix, others might require a hardware repair. Hopefully it's something simple, but if not, we'll also cover what to do if it turns out to be a more serious problem. The first thing to check is the camera lens itself. If there's dust, smudges, or any kind of debris on the lens, your iPhone might struggle to focus properly. This can cause the camera to keep shifting between the subject and whatever is blocking the lens. Grab a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the lens to remove any dirt. Even a small smudge can affect how the autofocus works. If the lens is clean, but the shaking still happens, try restarting your iPhone. A simple reboot can clear out temporary software glitches that might be affecting the camera. Sometimes a small bug in the system can interfere with the image stabilization or autofocus, and a restart is the fastest way to rule that out. If neither of these steps worked, then it's possible that the issue is hardware related. Some users have reported that their iPhone's optical image stabilization system was faulty and had to be replaced. If that's the case, Apple should cover the repair under the standard warranty, so you don't necessarily have to pay for a fix. There are specific iPhone models that seem to have this problem more often than others. Many reports mention iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 models having camera stabilization failures. But in reality, any iPhone could potentially develop a hardware issue over time. If you've tried the basic fixes and the camera is still shaking, it's best to have Apple check it out. That's how you can troubleshoot and possibly fix your iPhone's camera shaking problem. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching, and see you later.